I usually don't make videos like this, so I'm just going to get right into it. But a lot of people have, or a few people have noticed that I abruptly stopped making posts and videos. I did do a post in the community tab, and I don't. I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. I kind of been out of it the past few days. Vlogmas really killed me. I'm just joking. Vlogmas was great. I do love all the views and subscribers and engagement that I've been getting on both channels. You can probably hear in my voice I sound kind of weird, weirder than usual. But I've been sick, dealing with some health issues, and that kind of like took me out. Like I miss work, which is something I never do. I actually miss work at both jobs, which is definitely something I never do. Because I think I took one half day off this year because I had to use some of my accrued PTO. So that was something I had to do, not because I wanted to, and it was also my birthday. But I didn't take it off because it was my birthday, but I took it off because I'm like, wait, I already maxed out on my PTO and I haven't even been there a year. They're like, yeah, you have to use your time because you're not accruing any, you can't accrue anymore. But anyhow, so yeah, I've just been dealing with some health issues and things like that. So the videos just stopped abruptly, which is annoying because I was getting to like the good part of Vlogmas and the good part of the E36 stuff, which was we figured out why the car was driving so weird. So originally I had some front suspension components that were supposed to be installed. Don't know what happened with that. So I ended up getting a refund, and I'm just going to I got a refund, and I'm going to purchase, or I already have them purchased, and this Thursday, if I do feel better, or Friday, whichever, or Saturday, however it works. This is December, it's December 26th right now. The same day I'm recording it is the same day I'm uploading it. But we're going to be uploading. We're going to be getting that, those suspension parts put on, then finishing the tune, and then, um, deciding the fate of the car. Like if after the tune and stuff like that, like after the suspension and the tune is done, if I like the car, like if I do like it, don't get me wrong, I just don't want a manual car because I want something auto that's fast. I want something a little bit more techy. But if I do um like it in a sense, like I don't mind it being manual and things like that and whatnot, then I'll keep the car for a little while and do some more things to it over time, like change the over fenders, do aero, um, upgrade the brakes. I will paint the car black and do wheels and suspension. The interior, as you see, the seats are right here, or one of the seats is right here. But yeah, then I'll do that, and like depending on how that does, I'll either keep it, like just keep it, or I'll sell it for whatever the price like it will be, which will probably be around like 25-ish grand, and then buy the next car. Or I'll just continue the plan now. Once it's done, just finish the suspension, finish the tune, and then sell it as is right now, around 15, 16, 17, somewhere in that range. Um, and then get the new build. Um, but yeah, that's like kind of like my plan. I just have to see if I like the car and I like it enough that I don't mind the manual, because again, I just don't want a manual car. And yes, I could switch it to an auto, but that will be a big expense. And it's just like, if I'm going to do all that, I'm going to want to do something crazy, which the next build will be, or the plan for the next build is. There are two avenues that I can go, pretty much. Three, technically. Two of them are vaguely similar. One of them is well, not very different, but it's different, especially different for me. Um, but yeah, it's just, yeah. So if I'm going to do like this, chaining it to auto, I'm going to want something crazy. And an E36 body, for me to get it, for me to be comfortable building it the way that I want, I'd have to do lots of braces, lots of reinforcement, a cage, and this and that. And it's just like, I don't really want a car, a street car that's caged and everything. That's not really comfortable to me. And I'm still going to want AC and heat. I'm still gonna want all the creature comfort, so it's like I might as well just get a newer chassis and do that, because a newer chassis is slightly bigger. I have more space, more opportunities, and it's already built to fit the kind of auto that I want, whether that be DCT or an 8 HP. So that's just the only hint that you guys are really going to get. I have mentioned it. I have test driven one of the options, and no, you guys do not know what I do plan to do with it. But yeah, I've given hints, tons of hints, many times, of two of the options actually. Not the other one, which is like the complete segue off, but not completely because it's similar in a sense. But anyhow, enough rambling. I'm just saying, like, I don't know. I don't 100% know the fate of the E36 until we finish the suspension, which would have been done Saturday. But Saturday is when I got, like, really sick and I was in the hospital. Sunday, and then Monday, couldn't do anything. Today's Tuesday. I'm just up enough, like, surviving. So, yeah, enough rambling before I start, like, feeling a little sick again, because again it's bothering my asthma, and I still have to make a video for the Germ White channel, so that's what I'm going to do. But for now, bear with me. Content will most likely be coming by the weekend. I'll probably do like an unboxing video and show you guys what I get and what I pick up and things like that for the E36, and then we'll install it when we can. But for now, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I don't know what other holidays there are. I'm super ignorant to that because we don't really care. We just like spending time with people who we fuck with. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.